Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to chart multiple lines in Microsoft Excel this way. I will show you from start. Insert and chart. Adjust the size for your chart. Right click on it, select data, add, give the name and select entry and value. Click on enter, click on OK, edit and select value and click on OK. Same to insert second line, select data, add, give the name So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you. Once you click on this plus, so make sure add the more options, trade line, legend, data table, and adjust the size if you need. Like this. Thanks for watching.